Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Log Here Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 6 Ratio and Proportion Exercise 6B Question 12. It is again MCQ question. So Jaya has two maps, map A and map B. The map scale of map A is 1:25,000 and map scale of map B is 1:10,000. On map B, the distance between town X and town Y is 16 centimeter. What is the distance between the two towns on map A? Okay. So you see over here that first of all you can see that there are two scales of a map. What is the scale of a map? Basically it tells us that 1 centimeter on the map is how much distance on the real life world, right? Suppose 1 centimeter on the map is, let's say, 10 kilometers on the real world, right? So this is the scale 1:10. Okay, this way we say it. Now you see here this scale tells us 1:25,000. One is this scale of map A, the other is 1:10,000 of map B. Okay, now it tells us that the distance between town X and town Y is 16 centimeters on map B. Okay, so map B has scale 1:10,000 and distance between two towns is 16 centimeters, whereas on map A the distance we have to find. Okay, so first you write here, let the distance be x, right? So let the distance be x. Now you make the ratio. Okay, now we make the ratio of the scales. Okay, ratio of scales. All right, ratio of scales is proportion to ratio of distance. This thing will simply follow. See here, ratio of scales is both of our scales. Now you will say that both of our scales are ratio. How will we make their ratio? So it is very simple. You see in this scale, this is 1 and this is also 1. So you can write the ratio as ratio of map A's scale to ratio of map B's scale, right? So ignore this one and write 25,000 here. 25,000 is to the ratio of scale on the map B. B scale is 1:10,000. Again, this one has no effect, so simply remove it. So you will be left with 10,000, right? So 10,000 here. Okay, and proportion. Now ratio of distance between town X and town Y on both of our maps. So first we have written map A, right? But the distance was given 16 centimeter on map B. So map A we've assumed as X, so write it as X. Simple. And is to on map B we assumed the distance was given as 16 centimeters, so write here 16. Now simply you see we have got a proportion. We will go ahead and solve it simply. So 25,000 multiplied by 16 and 10,000 multiplied by X. Simply that rule of product of extreme equals product of means, right? So 25,000 into 16 is equal to 10,000, right, into X. So what I'll do is take this 10,000 here it's multiplying and here it will divide. So 25,000 into 16 upon 10,000, right? This 0 cut, these 3 zeros cut, 10 and 25 also cut, so this will be 2 and this will be 5 by calculate by 5, right? So 5 and 2, again this 2 and 16 can be cut, 1 and 16 8, so we are left with 5 into 8. All right, and that is what, 40. Okay, so your answer becomes 40 centimeter. This means that distance on town X and town Y on map A is what, this 40 centimeters, right? Is it in the options? Yes, B is in, it is in the options, so take option B. It is the correct option. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.